Here's how to edit Pinterest board without losing followers. First, launch open the Pinterest tab. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, get to the Save section and you will be able to locate all of your boards over here. Go ahead and open the board that you want to edit. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Find the option of Edit Board and Header Image. From here, you can change things like header image, name, and description. But if you want to edit the Pinterest board without losing followers, then there are some things that you need to keep in mind. The first one is keep the core topic identical. You never want to completely change the niche or focus of the board. For example, if you have set the board name to Minimalist Home, you do not want to change that to Healthy Smoothie Recipes. Instead, make sure that you refine the name gradually. Next, you want to update the description and category safely. You can freely rewrite your board description to pack it with better keywords and change the subcategory to improve your search visibility. Now, the next thing you want to do is move the unrelated pins to a new section. If there is any pin that is unrelated to the topic given over here, then you can simply delete that or move it to another board. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.